Bye.
Thank you so much for calling in and also tuning in and being super consistent every single time. Yeah, Jila attends all of my meal review sessions. And also she will try her level best to attend as many lifestyle hot sessions as possible to maximize her results. Look at your transformation, Jila. Especially the bloatedness on the stomach has reduced so much. Wow. How do you feel, Jila? Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy with the results actually. I did not yeah, at first also I'm pessimistic that like can I really lose this belly fat of mine for just 10 days, or now it's been my 2 seasons already. So yeah.
So what inspired you to get started on the program?
Well, actually last year around December, I was like thinking of my New Year's resolution for year 2022. And because I like working out, but I like eating sweets. So like I compensate it with I keep on thinking my mentality is I can still eat sweets, like lots of it, chips and everything. That's why I exercise.
So you compensate the calories with your calories burned.
Yeah, so I exercise around 4 times or 5 times a week. Yeah, I exercise, home workout. Before that, before the pandemic, I go to gym. But I was like, my big belly is still there for almost 3 years now of exercising. And maybe I should, I was seeing that maybe I should get a dietitian or anybody that can coach me. So I was searching in the internet and in the Facebook, and I saw this since we're expats here. So we are a member in the KL expat group in the Facebook. So I searched it, and then I tried to search the word diet and nutrition, because I've been reading like it's actually the exercise is just only 20%, while 80% should be what you put inside your body. So I searched the word diet and nutrition, I think. So then I saw in the KL Expat, I saw the post, I think Maylee's post, yeah, because so I saw her post and I saw those, and I go to the website, the link, the YouTube link, and then I saw those amazing transformation that I see in the YouTube. And then so I got curious, and there's a WhatsApp there. So I said, why not? Why not make a change for year 2022? So that's why I got to know Maylee through the Facebook page in the KL Expats. And
amazing. So what made you so determined to kickstart on the program and stay consistent on the program?
Maybe because it's the one that I saw in the YouTube that maybe I can do it. Just be maybe consistency, do consistent, and then one step at a time, not really force myself if I can or cannot. And also my coach Maylee is there to answer everything, like, can I buy this? Is this okay to buy? Like if I have questions, she's always there. So yeah, I follow everything that she tells me also. So like, and the meal review, if there are things that need to be changed, like last time, like mostly the vegetables that I know they are not the one that it's healthy also, but they're very different from the one that you should take if you want to lose weight. So yeah, so Yeah, that's fine.
Amazing. So, what have you learned from that 10 days lean and tone program?
Well, in the 10-day lean, in my first 10-day lean, I did not really well, I lose weight, but not so much. But then, well, I think because I had this, I attended a session like, I forgot also who's the coach who was a speaker, but I attended one. And then they presented those amazing transformation. And then it took me like, it gave me an idea that it's not like it will take you for 10 days like that. It's a different body. So maybe you should just take one step at a time and then adapt it in your lifestyle, because me as a Filipino, we've been doing this eating like that. So maybe it's not really, you don't need it to be fast. Maybe you need consistency and one step at a time, so that it can be in your lifestyle always.
Amazing. Yes, and I heard also whatever you have learned, you have also changed your family, and also the kids are starting to take after you.
Yeah, so when they ask me always that, why are you always eating that, mommy? Why are you having that shake? So I try to explain to them that we do this because being healthy. And I keep on joking them that I wanted to see my grandkids so I can live longer. So yeah, they're adapting also, not really that much, but maybe for me, I'll just do it. Yeah, take it slowly. So now the one thing that I observed is, since I eat vegetables every day, they eat vegetables also every day.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, children usually will just follow parents, even they do not want to have it. But once we reason out to them and explain to them, they do not mind trying it. Yeah, so that is their own baby step as well. Amazing. So tell us more, Jila, like through that 20 days that you have gone through, for anybody that would like to learn how to get healthier, learn how to get fitter, making that first step, what words of encouragement would you like to say to them?
Well, I think it's not difficult as what you see because because in the internet, in the Facebook, you can see that from before and after photo. But it's like, for me, like, maybe I cannot do it. But then I think it's more of changing your lifestyle slowly, so that for a better change, and consistency, so that your family can see it, and then it will be adopted also by the family. And I think for me, what's good also is the community in our group is, it's very helpful. The coaches guide us as well. So yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Jila, for sharing your story. I can't be more excited to see you on our subsequent seasons. You're also by far one of the most committed participant we've got, and therefore I can see it from your results. Annie, could you share again Jila's slide pack? I think just now there were some boxes around. Awesome. So first 10 days, Jila have got a basic digital scale. She's lost a couple of kilos. However, the second 10 days, what Jila had was she lost close to how many percent of body fat, Jila? Was it 1% or 2%?
1% body fat.
1% body fat on the second cycle of the 10 days, where we got the knee scale finally. Yeah. So from the first season, probably you already lost the same amount of percentage. And Jila was like, huh, is that a lot? I'm like, yes, that's a lot. Just imagine one pound of fat is like this. 1 pound of muscle is like this. Smaller, smaller. So it's not about the weight, it's about how much body fat comprises in that weight itself. Yeah. So when you have the me scale, I'm even more excited to see it, because let's see whether we are able to work towards the body transformation challenge. Yay! Thank you, Jila. Thank you for sharing. Keep up the amazing work.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.